Good morning, how you doing? Awesome, man. Getting the day started. Hey, everybody. This is fantastic. Every time I walk in this hotel, it's like a instant flashback, like I'm just transported, you know? I love when we have these in-person events. We'll get everybody going, get them in the room, get them start learning. I gotta get up on stage and get Phil in here and then introduce some of the coaches before I start teaching. So before I do that, I need to get some caffeine in me. So I'm gonna go get some coffee. And after I get some coffee, I'll review the schedule, make sure everything's good to go, and off we go. Off we go. Now, Isaac, don't watch me make this coffee. People might judge how much sugar I put in my coffee, all right? I don't want any judgment here. Nothing wrong with a little bit of sugar. I gotta get my energy up, you know what I mean? There we go, there it is right there. Now I got it, all right. You know, I know Starbucks is an amazing company. I love Starbucks as a company. One of the first companies I researched to invest in, but I really like Dunkin' Donuts coffee.
That's only changes he made.
Huh. Okay, so normally they got me going up at 8:30. That's fantastic. Instead of 9.
So you're going up at...
No, I will go up at 9. Normally Phil goes on at 9 unless he's coming a bit later, and that's fine.
Coming, it looks like at 9.
Yeah, that's perfect. Perfect. Oh, look at this. This is the best part of the workshop. When everybody gets here in the morning and everybody's excited to go in and get their seats and get going with everything. So people will line up here for, 45 minutes, an hour, sometimes longer than that, just to be early in line, to rush in there to get a good seat. So I love this part. I try to stay out of the way as best I can though. So I think it's just that I enjoy doing this. I enjoy being here and interacting with everybody. And I think the big thing for me is watching, like that young man right there who's about to fill out his disclaimer, watching him go in there and know not too much, and then at the end his eyes are wide and he's like, oh my goodness. That is like the biggest, yeah man, it's just the biggest joy to see that kind of journey over 3 days. It's insane. It's insane.
Sir?
Good morning, sir. How are you?
Good. They're already in your autograph line, huh?
Well,
this guy is the man.
Don't listen to him. Hey, you guys want to speak this morning when I call up coaches?
Whatever you need, my friend.
So Jamaal, what are you setting up right now?
Thank you very much, Isaac. So what I'm doing, we got when Phil gets here, we're going to do an intro. And Phil recently sustained a little bit of an injury. And so we're going to bring up a video to kind of tell people a bit about investing and warn them about Phil and his crazy writing experiences. So we're just kind of getting everything set up with a nice video, getting everything prepared to get started. It'll be a good day. It'll be a good day. Right now, we're just wanting everybody to get settled, get connected to the internet, get comfortable, and then when we get up there, we're going to really start to gradually pick things up. So it's good for them to get nice and settled now, But it's coming.
Exciting.
It is really exciting, especially for us. We love to see this process, man. We're just talking to one of the other coaches. We get all excited because we know how this is going to play out. They have no idea what they're about to step into, and so they go from this place of I don't know what's going on to being in deep water to oh my gosh, I got this, and not only do I have it, but now I can go forward and do something with it. And we do that in a very short amount of time. So it's exciting, it's a lot happening, it's a lot of energy, it's a lot of work. But in the end of it, it is very fulfilling. Hey, good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Can you guys hear me? Is this thing working? No, it's not working. Let's try that again. Good morning, everybody. Come on. Come on, I came up here 15 minutes ago. I told you we're going to get the energy up a little bit. Let's try it again. I know the coffee's still settling in. The caffeine hasn't quite been absorbed. But this is a workshop where we do a lot of work, but we like to have a little fun. We like to have a little audience participation. So that means you guys got to bring some energy. Good morning, everybody. Yes, much better. All right, welcome to your transformational investing workshop. My name is Jamaal Hobson. I'm going to be one of your coaches for the weekend. There's going to be several coaches coming up here teaching you all kinds of fun stuff. And we love doing this stuff. So when your coaches are interacting with you and they're trying to give you all that knowledge and information, just to know that they're doing it out of love, because we've all been sitting in your seats not too long ago. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Phil and Melissa Town.
Jamal's going to be teaching you guys, one of our best faculty members, fabulous investor. Just, I don't know, how many of you have seen Jamaal on Facebook or YouTube or anything like that?
He's a YouTube sensation, basically.
Just started putting those ads out where he's the face of the company, and there's a reason for that. He's just really good at this. So thanks for all the introduction and everything, Jamaal. You're amazing. And thanks for all the work you did to get here. We're going to have some more instructors who are going to be coming up here through the weekend that I'll introduce.
You know, that was awesome. Yeah, the great thing about this is even when there's curveballs thrown or a schedule change, it doesn't matter. Everybody here is so good and just so motivated to share the message, you know, so we're all just itching to go. Now that Phil's up there, things are really going to pick up. All right, man, so it was a fantastic day today at the workshop. We were able to get a bunch done. We got these new rulers motivated, they're learning, they're making good progress. They're gonna complete their stories today. Maybe some will complete tomorrow morning. And then we're gonna have our competition. We're gonna start talking about options. We got the barbecue tomorrow. It is gonna be a really fun day. So we got an early head start. I'm gonna go get some rest so I can get back here and get these guys going first thing in the morning. So for all of you out there, thank you so much for joining me in a day of my life, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.